My name is Juan Fuentes. I'm an artist and photographer, born in Chihuahua, Mexico. But I've lived the majority of my life here in Denver, and this is where I work, and this is where my studio's at. So what I'm working on for this exhibition is, like I said, looking deeper into my family's history. And so I'm trying to tell the story of my own journey of migration. You know, I migrated when I was a child into the U.S. And, I'm currently still living as an undocumented American here in the United States. And so I don't have access to my hometown. You know, I haven't been back there in 17 years. And so I'm trying to explore new ways in which I can access that place, using technology, using archival footage, or using, own family members that are there in collaboration, into making new images, and trying to put a well-rounded story of my family. And that's one portion of the exhibition. The other portion is trying to look, in a wider lens of what the migrant story looks like or sounds like. And so I'm trying to focus more on the nuances, trying to focus on immigrant stories that are outside of the Mexico and the U.S. border, because I feel like challenging those stereotypes is important. I think for so long, immigrant stories have always kind of been focused on the U.S.-Mexico border, at least here in the United States. And so I want to show a different side of that. I want to show the nuances. I want to show that there isn't one stereotype. There isn't one mold for what we look like, what we do, and how we exist. I'm really inspired right now. I really like the direction I'm taking, just because it's adding so many other layers, and it's obviously, for this specific project, it's making me look deeper into my own history, into my own identity, into my own culture, and into my own family's trajectory, and how they started at one place in Mexico and now have ended up, here in Denver. It's very exciting. There's a lot to reveal and a lot to learn. I definitely feel like I've taken on that task to become the archivist for my family. To this day, even working in collaboration with my family to put together this project, they still don't fully understand what it is that I'm doing, or why I'm digging through these family albums. But I've kind of given myself that task because I see the importance of what documentation does for specifically people of color is very important, and to do so in a way where we ourselves are showing ourselves in the light that we want. Traditionally in photography, our communities have been documented and our stories have been told by outsiders. So now more than ever, it's important to kind of reclaim that narrative and put authorship into our own stories. And I feel like with this project is exactly what I'm doing.